What up, what up, what up? This your boy TJ with another GOHARD Ghetto review. Let's see what we got here. We got an AiJoy. That's what they say, AiJoy. Pull-up resistance band set. We got one red pull-up assistant band, one black pull-up assistant band, a purple pull-up assistant band, a green pull-up assistant bag, a grip ring, a storage bag, and we got a user's manual. Let's go. Let's open this thing on up, see what's going on with this pull-up assistance. Get this good old handy dandy sticker off. All right. Do you see what I see? Okay. That was heavy. All the bands look like they in here. And we got this bad boy. Whatever them is. I know absolutely nothing about working out, man. I ain't gonna lie. Here go your little book, though. AiJoy. AiJoy. We got the book. Let's check these bands out. If you're trying to get them bands, holla at me. Oh yeah. There you go right there. And then it just get wider and wider. How wide you want it? How wide you want it? And here go the king. Let's go. Show you how wide it is. Wait. Nice and wide. Slim and wide. Not gonna lie. Like I said, I don't work out that much. Have no idea what these do. But guess what? That's what it looked like when it come out the box. Bam. There you go. There go another unboxing video. If you like my videos, like them, share them, subscribe. If you got any tips on how you think I could do a better unboxing videos, because that's what most of these are, or reviews, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments. If you just don't like me, let me know in the comments. If you do like me, hey, how you doing? Let me know in the comments. But anyway, thank you for watching.